This video is your step-by-step guide for installing the Pemko Hide Slide sliding door system. Before you begin, read all instructions and ensure you have the necessary tools. We recommend 2 people for this installation for safety and ease of assembly. A critical prerequisite is proper wall blocking for the top roller. Consult a structural engineer if you have any questions about wall blocking specifications. First, prepare the door per the door prep template in the website. Cut the top aluminum track to be the same length as the door's width. Pre-drill for the backup hard stops, 3/8 of an inch from each end. Now, pre-drill the mounting holes along the track for the door. Attach the track and the 2 hard stops using the provided fasteners. Next, activate the 2 soft close mechanisms by hand and slide them into the track, securing them about 3 inches from each edge. Finally, install the bottom rollers and press fit the bottom guide channel into the door prep. Now let's prepare the cable system. Remove the hex bolt from a cable clamp and slide the clamp into the track until it's flush with the edge of the door. Tighten it down, making sure to maintain hole alignment. Insert the safety cable through the clamp until it touches the track, then fully secure the hex bolt. Slide the second cable clamp into the other end of the track, also flush with the door's edge. Partially thread the hex bolt in, leaving just enough space to insert the cable later. With the door prepared, let's move to the wall. Determine the vertical and horizontal placement for the adjustable top roller using the tables in your guide. The top edge of the top roller assembly should be the door height plus 1/2 inch from the finished floor. Use a level and mark the mounting holes at the top of the slots. Secure the top roller assembly into the wall blocking using the provided fasteners. Next, use the guide tables to find the correct position for the bottom floor guide. Then mark, pre-drill, and install it. It's time to hang the door. Angle the door and set the bottom guide channel onto the floor guide. Thread the loose cable end through both retainers on the top roller assembly. Insert the cable into the second clamp, pull the slack through, fully tighten the second hex bolt, and then trim the excess cable. Now engage the system. Use a hex key to turn the vertical adjustment bolt, lifting the door until the wheels touch the track. Then give it 1 additional quarter turn. Check that the door is plumb. For the finishing touches, install the 2 anti-rise components onto the top roller assembly, using the alignment tabs to position them correctly. Finally, install the flush poles into the door. Cycle the door to ensure smooth operation, and make any final alignment adjustments as needed. Lastly, install the end caps. Your Pemko Hide Slide sliding door installation is complete.